All right, guys, our first ride with the Populo curve, and man, this thing's really nice, man. Wow, really nice. I'm really impressed with this thing. Wow. Anyway, one thing I didn't mention in the overview was the key. It was hanging right here, and I didn't even mention it. The key, the only thing the key is for, is taking out the battery, which is, I'll show you their mechanism. It's the same as most of them. You know, there's a little latch right here, and you pull the latch, and that opens, and you know, swings it open, and then you put there's a keyhole here, and you put the key in and turn it, and the battery slides out. It's not like the other ones where they have the key up underneath here, and you can't, you know, you risk breaking, snapping the key off in there all the time. This is actually a smarter way of doing it, where they put it inside here. Nice rack, real nice, man. Wow, 40 pounds of air in the tire, so just so you know. All right, let's get riding it. All right, here we go. And away we go. Brakes feel good. I'm going over some off-roading there, okay. Yeah, it has a nice feel, 20-inch tires. Yeah, it feels good. Wow, nice grips too. Wow, it has a sweet feel to it. There's a school bus. Okay, so we're gonna go do the hill here with no pedaling. We'll see how it takes the hill, but we're gonna wait here for the school bus the kiddies to get off the bus. Now don't forget, it's only a 250 watt motor, okay, so. But it seems to be managing the hill okay. We're gonna turn on the app here. Get the speedometer going so you can see that. Okay, so we made it up the hill. A little bit of a brake rub. I think it's in the back. Yeah. All right, so don't tell me that thing just broke. Yep, sure enough. Believe it or not, that thing just broke. Are you kidding me? Boy, I'll tell you what, these phone holders, man, wow, are they cheap. Holy tamale. Oh well, okay, so forget the app, we'll just have to use the mechanical speedometer today. All right. Okay, so we're out here. The derailleur has a nice feel to it, and the pedal assist feels pretty nice too. Okay, so let's run our little speed test here. You know what I mean? So let's give that a shot. Yeah, let's do that. There's the police. Let's give this speed test a little bit of a go. Okay, so we're at 17, 18. When I did the dry run, I got it up to 20. It got to 20 on the dry run in the house. And there it goes, 20. which it feels pretty close to 20, maybe 18 or something. But we'll see when we get the GPS thing, when I get my new phone holder, right? When I get the new phone holder going. So yeah, we got our 20 miles an hour according to this. It's fast enough for the trails, so I'm not too concerned about it. So we're gonna try the pedal assist here. We're in the 5, and it goes pretty fast in the 5, so I'm gonna turn it down to pedal assist 2, and then I'm running 5th gear. Let me see. There you go, 4th gear, pedal assist 2, that feels pretty good. Let me see, pedal assist 3. Oh yeah, oh, well yeah. So that would be 4th, 5th gear, yeah. Okay, 5th gear, pedal assist 3 feels pretty nice. Like you could go do some stuff. Okay, so yeah, this feels pretty good like this. Okay. So I'm not a big fan of the pedaling, right? Everybody knows that, especially, wow. I really busted my ass today, man. Holy cow. Seriously, wow. It was a real killer. Okay, so our first ride is almost in the books. And yeah, it's this thing rides great. Man, comfortable. Seats, the seat's pretty nice. I'm not gonna put one of the Cloud 9s on here. This seat's fine. I can ride on this thing, no problem. I just gotta figure out dial in my perfect pedal assist to throttle. So when I go on the trail, find my sweet spot. I do think I need to raise the seat up a little higher. I think the seat's a little too low because my legs aren't straight when I'm pedaling, so we got to do a couple of those kind of adjustments. But other than that, yeah, feels good. Yeah. Yeah, definitely I got to raise the seat up, no doubt. Yeah, no doubt. My legs aren't going out far enough. All right, we'll stop over here in a minute. Raise the seat up a hair. But yeah, it does ride nice, guys. Yeah, I'm real happy with the ride. Real happy with the ride. Brakes are great. Real nice feeling brakes. Really nice, good feeling brakes. Wow, pedal assist is good. That's what I got it in 3. That pedal assist 3 is perfect. Right there. There you go. Pedal assist 3. That's what you want. That hits that sweet spot. Exactly. Hits that sweet spot. Pedal assist 3. And 5th gear. So you got pedal assist 3, 5th gear. It's really pretty nice for pedaling if you wanna do the pedal thing. Yeah, no doubt. All right. Oh yeah, it steers real nice, guys. Yeah, I'm not even actually using the throttle right now. I'm just pedaling the dang thing. Real nice, guys, real nice. Wow. Yep, I think there's that sweet spot for this thing. Pedal assist 3 with the 5th gear. That's kind of a nice combination right there. Now, if you're going up a hill like I just did, you want to go down to like 3rd gear or something. But for just being on the flat surface, that's a pretty good deal right there. Really good brakes, guys. Wow, real nice. Real nice. All right, guys, here we go. Yay! Ride in the books. All right, guys, have a nice day. I'll talk to you later. All right, guys, in summary, this first ride, I thought, yeah, it went pretty good. You know, it rode beautifully. Yeah, it does seem to lack a little bit of power, but, you know, it's the 250-watt motor. And that's why you got the 6-speed Shimano on there to help you out with that. But the only thing I noticed about it with the lack of power was that it doesn't, like when you pull the throttle all the way in, it doesn't jump up there and start going. It's very gradual, the bringing it up to speed. It's very gradual, but the brakes were great. The pedaling was real easy. The seat is actually pretty comfortable. I didn't even notice it had the little logo in there. But yeah, and then here I think I forgot to mention this too in the little unboxing or whatever it was overview. There's a USB port and an on and off switch right there along with the charge port, so that's all inside that little thing. But yeah, it rides really nice and the seat's real comfortable, so plus you got a 50-pound capacity on the rack, so yeah, that's pretty nice, right? Okay, so yeah, great stuff, man. Wow. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.